Hello. So for the project assignment 1, I decided to make online repair store. It's not a repair store, it's rather a website where you can request for computer repairs. So it will hold two types of data. That would be first would be computer related information, what your computer is, what brand it is. So let's suppose if someone is Apple certified and then you have a MacBook Air or any Apple computer, you want it to get repaired and something's wrong with your computer, you just put on a request, and then the site management can have a look through it and then contact you based on your requirements. So it's a rather simple design. Here it is. So when I run this, it should look something like this. So it's welcome to Georgian Computer Repair. The title page tells what the website is about, and then once you go on to the second controller, which is customer information, you can see there are already two customers who have already put in their customer name, customer phone, customer email, and then when you go to computer information, you have the PC type, PC serial number, PC brand, everything. And so to get this to make this project, I actually had to create a database, which I did using Server Management Studio. So while that loads, let me just go on and check and explain a little bit more about it. So uh, so So it has three controllers, one which is the home and two which the new ones which I created. One is customer infos and the second one is PC infos. And the views section, mm, we have one for customer views that has create, delete, details, edit, index, and the same for PC, which is create, delete, details, edit, and index. I also went on to change the footer. So as you can see, my name's in there, Hardeep Singh, and my student number and the course code. And then with the server management, so I created a database called Charge and Computer Repair. Under that, I created two tables, customer info and PC info. So they are both linked with the help of a foreign key, which I can show you right here. So the foreign key is the ticket number, and so that links both of them together, and that is pretty much it. Let me just quickly check if I didn't miss anything. So the purpose is stated on the first page, or the title page, saying it's a website where you can request for computer repairs. I have two tables with one-to-many or parent-child relationship. That is, I have a foreign key in there. So I have created the application. I've used the entity framework to generate model classes with two tables in your database, and on the side, so I have created the links to both the controllers and modified. So I added descriptive to both the navigation bar and the page titles. So customer information and computer information, so that tells where you're going. And then change the footers, already did that. Modify, include a meaning of heading. So yes, as I said, in the first page right here states what the purpose of the website is. And also I changed the theme for the first bonus point. went on to Bootswatch and got a theme and put it into the Bootstrap, and then finally uploaded everything to GitHub. So the last one was just a few moments ago in my Team Explorer. So it was just a few minutes ago, and yes, everything should be working fine.